Hello everyone, welcome to Agriculture and GK YouTube channel. Myself Sandala Gayatri. Today we will discuss on ICAR JRF Social Science Solved Question Paper which was conducted on 23rd September 2020. Friends, we are going to discuss here 120 questions along with answer key which was released by NTA. Friends, if you are new at this channel, kindly subscribe now. Let's get started. First question is, right-to-worry system was initially introduced in Coimbatore. Next is, arrange the rural development programs implemented in India from the earliest to most recent. So first one is Community Development Program in 1952, Dwakra in 1982, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana in 2014 and National Food Security Mission in 2007 and IRDP in the year 1978 to 79. So from the earliest means first one will be Community Development Program and next will be IRDP, third is Dwakra and fourth is National Food Security Mission and last is Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. So answer is first option. Next is, which of the following are based on improving knowledge? Answer is cognitive domain. Only cognitive domain is based on improving knowledge. Fourth one is based on two statements. First one is, deflating procedure can be used for retaining continuity in the comparison between two or more index series. It is false because we will be using splitting procedure, not deflating procedure. Statement 2. The sum of squared deviations is the least when taken from the mean. Yes, it is true. So statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is true. So answer is fourth option. Fifth one is, which of the following is a communication technique where the farmer and farm families are not at home nor in their fields when the extension professional visits? Answer is flag method. Next is, in case of social stratification, the determinants of status are, it is of religion and biological characteristics, that is age, sex, etc. Next is, widely distributed and cultured fish species in the world are, it is of grass carp. Next is, which one of the following techniques is used to generate innovative and creative ideas? It is brainstorming. The first high-yielding variety of rice, Jaya, was released by Indian Council of Agricultural Research in the year, it was released in the year 1966. But in NTA, their given answer is of 1968. Actual answer is 1966. Next is, the ideal size of a flashcard to be used in a group of 30 farmers should be of 10 to 12 inches. Next is, summative evaluation is conducted in which of the following stage? It was conducted on last, that is final stage, post implementation stage. Next is, three maxims of cooperation was proposed by H. Plunkett. Next is, lead bank scheme was recommended by Nariman Committee. Next is, the members of this group are alike or similar in status or position in the class system of the society is called a horizontal group. Next is, what principle of projection work in the case of overhead projectors? It is of indirect. Ploughing in wetlands is called puddling. Next is, if a teacher is on the dais 30 feet away from the last row of the students, what should be the height of every letter teacher writes on the blackboard? It should be at least 1.5 to 2 inches. Next is match the following type question. First one is government spending and revenue producing activity. It is a physical policy. Second one is careful and continuous assessment of the changes that occur in agro, socio and economic environment. It is of evaluation. Third one is charges reflecting the estimates of wear and tear of physical capital. It is of capital consumption allowance. Last one is the present value of additional consumption generated by an additional unit of investment in a project. It is of shadow prices. So answer is second option. Next is, under perfect competition market situation, the marginal revenue line coincides with average revenue. In perfect competition, marginal revenue is equal to average revenue is equal to price. So answer is second option. Next is, regarding the cone of experience, which one is necessary when real experience cannot be used or is too complicated? Answer is continual experience. Next is, which one of the following is the eligibility criteria for the recently announced Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman scheme? Answer is family as a unit with less than 1 hectare land. Next is statements type question. First one is, channel of communication constitute the medium through which information flows from a sender to one or more receivers. Yes, it is true. Second statement is, media is the message. Yes, both statements are true. Next is, the central cooperative banks normally operate at district level. Next is statement type questions. First statement is, most of the social changes that took place in the earlier years in India were planned and directed. No, it is false. Second statement is, social change can be predicted with a certain degree. No, both statements are false. So answer is second option. Next is, which of the following is known as picture drama? It is of planned graph. Next is, capital obtained from own savings, gifts, etc. is equity capital. Next is, a vegetable producer wants to maximize his profit by growing cabbage. Suppose the demand function is price P is equal to 40 minus 0.02 Q, where P is the price in rupees per unit of cabbage. And the cost function is C is equal to 20 Q plus 400, where Q is the quantity daily produced. His profit will be maximum at the output level of, by solving we will be getting 500 units. So answer is second option. Next is, who has been credited for the creation of microfinancing banks? It is Muhammad Yunus. Next is, match the following question. Late majority. It is 34%. Innovators, it is of 2.5%. Third one is early adopters, 13.5%. Laggards is of 16%. So answer is first option. Next is, marginal efficiency of capital or yield on investment is called net present value. But actually, as per NTA they have given IRR. As per my knowledge, answer is first option only, net present value only. Next is match the following type question. First one is David Berlow 1960. It is source, encoder, message, channel, decoder and receiver. B is of Shannon Weaver 1949. It is of source, transmitter, signals, receiver, destination. Fourth option. C is Schramm 1961. It is of source, encoder, signal, decoder, destination. D is of Rogers and Shoemakers. It is source, message, channel, receiver and effects. So answer is first option. Next is arrange the following procedure steps of scientific investigation in the correct order. It is of questionnaire first. Next is data collection. Afterwards tabulation third. Next analysis fourth and report writing is fifth. So answer is fourth option. Next is match the following type question. First one is learning through what you do. It is 90%. Next is what you see and hear. It is 50%. C is what you say and write. It is 70%. What you see is 30%. So answer is first option. Next is the kind of money for which the intrinsic value is equal to the face value is standard money. Next is statement type question. First statement is message is used to convey the source's meaning by means of any codes. Yes. Second statement is meanings of messages are not in people. No, it will be with people. So answer is statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is false. Next is seed rate for the cultivation of red gram in kg per hectare is 12 to 15 kg per hectare. Next is soil air contains higher concentration of carbon dioxide. Next is which of the following concepts in model of communication has been given by Liggins 1963. It is of treatment and presentation, audience response and feedback. So answer is third option. Next is RLEGP. One of the major rural development program is meant for rural landless people. Next is when the price for out of fashion goods is decreased, demand will be constant. Next is which of the following is considered to fall under the deductive method of economic investigation? It is consumer surplus. Leather in a shoe factory is considered as sunk capital. Next is which one of the following is not a system of farming? They are asking system, not type. So system is rain-fed farming, not. Rest all are systems, but rain-fed farming is type of farming. Next is the technical efficiency of both variable and fixed resources is increasing in, it will be increased in first zone. Next is statement type question. First statement is unfelt need is the need of which people are aware at present. This is also called a recognized need. No, it is false. Second statement is felt need is the need of which people are not aware at present. It is false. Both statements are at reverse they are given. So answer is both statements are false. Next is also statement type question. First statement is vertisol is the common soil order for the red soils. No. Second statement is brackish water has nitrate salts. No, both statements are false. Next is which one is the correct sequence of steps in extension teaching? It is attention, interest, desire, conviction, action and satisfaction. So answer is third option. Next is who said that the sole purpose of communication is to influence people. The persuasive function of communication, that is to induce people, is extremely important for extension in changing their behavior. It is given by Berlow. Next is match the following type question. First one is All India Rural Credit Survey Committee. It is year 1319. Next is teleconferencing was started in 1960s. Next is on the ridge line, marginal physical product of an input will be MPP will be 0. Next is extension work in Japan was first started by farmers organization. Next is when MC is above AC, the average cost curve is rising. Next is which one of the following is not an external factor affecting production? It is selection of the farm. Next is which of the following are the process barriers of communication? All the four, that is feedback barrier, decoding barrier, receiver barrier and encoding barrier. So answer is fourth option. Next is match the following type question. First one is rice. In rice it is of Gandhi bug. In sesame it is capsule borer. Cotton, pink bollworm. Chickpea, white grub. So answer is third option. Next is the market situation wherein all the sugarcane farmer producers are bound to supply their produce to a farmers cooperative sugar factory in that area is known as monopsony, because it is single buyer. Next is according to the innovation decision process, which of the following are not suitable extension teaching methods at the implementation stage? It is friends and relatives, poster and newspapers. So answer is second option. Next one is which one of the following leaders does not want to compromise in any way with their principles? They are reformers. Next is the total output produced in a year multiplied with the market prices prevalent during the same year gives GNP at market prices. Next is match the following question. First one is benzoic acid. It is dicamba and amibin. Second one is chlorophenoxic compounds. It is 2,4-D and MCPA. Third one is anilides. It is propanil. Fourth one is carbamates. It is profam and barbon. So answer is fourth option. 75th question is statement type question. First one is formal control is the main characteristic of traditional rural leadership. No. Second statement is rural life in India has been more socio-cultural than political, economical in nature. So first statement is false and second statement is true. So answer is fourth option. Next is combine harvester is a popular farm machinery used for the following purpose in rice and wheat crop farming. It is for harvesting and threshing. Next is match the following question. First one is A. FSS. It is National Commission on Agriculture. Second one is single window system. It is by Mohan Kanda. Third one is RRBs. It is Narsimhan Committee. Lamps is Baba team. So answer is fourth option. Next is the type of market situation wherein the kinked demand curve is observed. It is of oligopoly. Kinked demand curve is due to rigid prices. According to the form, which of the following is not the visual aid? It is farm and home visit. Next is which one of the following are the primary colors in drawing and painting? It is red, blue and yellow. Next is the farm management principle that guides the farmer to plan for specialized or diversified farming is principle of comparative advantage. Next is if a service of any kind is open to one member, it should be extended to all member countries in equal measure. Is the principle provided under GATS through MFN. Next is who was the first governor of RBI? It is Sir Osborne Smith. Next is which one of the following does not change with the volume of activity? It is stationary budget. Next is match the following question. First one is Krishi Vigyan Kendra. It is by ICAR. Next is training for rural youth for self-employment is by Government of India. Third one is Nilokeri project. It is by SK Day. Next is India Village Service by Vishur. So answer is third option. Next is match the following type question. First one is grading. Grading is to check quality and purity of goods. Second is processing. Processing is value addition. Third one is market finance. It is to overcome distressed sales. Fourth is hedging, to overcome price risk. So answer is first option. Next is stock and supply are same for milk because it is a perishable commodity. Rest all are durable goods. Next is statement type question. First statement is extension communication is never complete without feedback information. Yes, it is true. Second statement is feedback has not been considered to be an essential element in different models of communication. Yes, both statements are true. Next is also statement type question. First statement is journalism's first obligation is not the truth. No, it is false. Second statement is journalism's practitioners must maintain dependence from those they cover. No, both statements are false. Next is A country's economy can be increased by imposing more tax on goods whose consumer surplus is high. Next is, in which of the following projectors the loss of light is maximum? It is opaque projector. Next is, market prices that are above equilibrium tend to create surplus of goods. Arrange the phases in the project cycle in the correct order. It is, first one is identification, next is formulation, next is appraisal, monitoring and evaluation. So answer is first option. Next is, which one of the following is the first training group of the human race? It is only family. Next is, match the following type question. First one is Surabhi, Suraj and Supriya. It is varieties of cotton. Second is Lalit, Sweta, Arka, Kiran. It is of guava varieties. Third one is PAU 201, Gontra Bidan, Pusa Sugandh. It is rice varieties. Next is Vijay, Vishal and Virat. It is chickpea varieties. So answer is second option. Next is, according to the nature of the personnel involved, channels of communication are characterized as personal localite, personal cosmopolite and impersonal cosmopolite. So answer is third option. Next is, ratio of standard deviation to mean is, it is coefficient of variation. Next is, huskless variety of barley is Dolma. Next is, 10 ppm of available phosphorus in the soil is equivalent to 20 kg per hectare. The type of farming with a greater risk is specialized farming. Next is, match the following type question. First one is common bread wheat. It is Triticum aestivum. Second is macaroni wheat. It is Triticum durum. Third one is emmer wheat. It is Triticum dicoccum. Next is encorn wheat is Triticum monococcum. So answer is fourth option. Next is, the cost of application of fertilizer by family labor is referred to as, it is not imported, it is imputed. It is imputed cost of labor. So answer is third option. Next is, difference between the value of exports and value of imports is balance of payment. Next is, internet was started in the year 1950s. Next is, the gestation period in the cow is, it is of 280 to 285 days. Next is statement type question. First statement is, in international trade, a loan that may be repaid in the borrower's currency is called soft loan. Yes, it is true. Second statement is, the period required for the investment in a project to produce a visible return is called the payback period. No, it is false. So answer is, statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is false. Next is, to increase the milk production of buffalo within month is the example of goal. Next is, which of the following is the most suitable extension teaching method for the problem of rat control in a rural village? It is campaign. Next is, isocons are linear when resources are perfect substitutes. So answer is third option. Next is the sufficient condition of consumers equilibrium under indifference curve analysis is, it is decreasing marginal rate of substitution, because indifference curve gives us marginal rate of substitution. So answer is first option. Next is if firm doubles all inputs in the long run and total output less than doubles, it is a case of decreasing returns to scale. Next is which of the following are types of teleconferencing? All the four are types of teleconferencing. Next is the psychological barriers of communication include fields of experience, filtering and psychological distance. So answer is third option. Next is statement type question. First statement is the present value of the future sum is the current value of the investment to be received in the future. Yes, it is true. Second statement is future value of present sum is an important concept in financial analysis and this is called compounding. Yes, both statements are true. Answer is first option. Next is for the production function y is equal to 20 plus 0.2x minus 0.001 x square when price of x is equal to 5 rupees per unit and price of y is equal to 100 rupees per unit. The maximum output will occur at input level of 100 units. Next is the benefit cost ratio gives green signal to investors if it is equal to or greater than 1. Next is in color theory of an artist, which of the following are secondary colors? That is green, orange and purple. Next is a statement type question. First statement is news is difficult to define because it has many variables. Yes. Second statement is news must be factual yet not all facts are news. Yes, both statements are true. Next is match the following question. First one is root rot of cotton. It is Rhizoctonia bataticola. Second one is rhizome rot of ginger. It is Phythium myriotylum. Third one is root rot of apple. It is Rosalenia nicatrix. Fourth one is black scurf of potato. It is Rhizoctonia solani. So answer is third option. Next is write the sequence of stages of the adoption process. It is fourth option, that is awareness, interest, evaluation, trial and adoption. So answer is fourth option. Thank you for watching. Friends, if you like this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.